Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Payoneer account in Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So there's actually two ways we can do this. The very first and most easy way is just to download and choose the payment options from your Shopify. But sometimes depending on the current you're currently living, this one is not going to be available for all of you guys. So if I'm here into my Shopify, go directly into your home section, and here what you want to do is locate the settings down in here, and then what I wanted to do is to focus into payment. Now here in the payment, what I wanted to do is go for it managed. So here if I go to choose a provider in order to choose another one, but in my case I'm here into my region, and as you can see I have the Payoneer section. I'm going to try look out for Payoneer, and as you can see it is appearing the third party provider found. Now another way is, so I'm going to go a little bit back, and now supported payment method. Let's get into add payment method, and now here I'm going to type search by provider, and let's go for Payoneer checkout. So as you can see it is appearing here. So what I just need to do is click on it, and it will take you to this page. Here you will find an install button. You just have to click on install button and you will be taken to this page. Here I needed to grant the access from the Payoneer checkout into my actual Shopify account. So we'll go for install the application. Process is actually really simple. You have to be worrying about to add a lot of stuff. You just need to sign in. If already have a Payoneer account, just head here and to sign in. As you can see, it says finish setting up your payment checkout account. So what I want to do is to go with the manage account status. So let's go. This one should be sending us back into the actual Payoneer section checkout. So let's go with get started. And here what I wanted to do is add all the information about my e-commerce store to the next level with Payoneer checkout. So this one does not mean that since you already have a Payoneer account, you have the Payoneer checkout. This is something totally different from it. But since we already have an account, let's try to submit our information. Let's go for the first or last name, the email, phone number, do we sell international, the business headquarters, and later on it's going to submit. Now someone is going to be sending us a message from the actual team of Payoneer in order to get accepted into the actual checkout permission here. Simply getting to the X mark. So after obviously receiving the invitation, approval of it, I'm going to be back here into my Shopify account, and then later on the setting up for the checkout account should be routed automatically. The process is actually really simple. This might be taking a few hours, maybe 1 or 2 days, so you just need to activate the Payoneer checkout once you are connected to Payoneer checkout into your Shopify. Now if you don't have this Payoneer checkout, there's another solution that I can give you just in case this one is not available into your actual country. So if you already have a Payoneer account, let's go back into the home section and let's focus into get paid. If I go get paid, let's go for request a payment. Now, let's say ready to send payment request to international business. Let's go for how do you collect payments clients today. So this one it should be sending us of course into the Grow, our global business with a Payoneer receiving account. So we can provide a bank account detail. Those we can use to pay by a bank transfer or funds to your Payoneer account. So let's go into request account, and now we have the local receiving account. Let's go for next. Select the countries you wanted to choose, and in here once again we needed to choose the countries for which your local bank account details. You can always request a quantity for additional countries later. Let's go for something easy, as everyone should add for example USA, and hit now into next, submit the request. So now we have the new request receiving account. So in order to open your receiving account, please provide us with the documentation listed below. Provide the URL of your business website from Amazon, Shopify, Facebook. What is the connection of the website you are provided, and all of that. So either you choose one or two methods, both of them are actually directly from Payoneer, and this process might be taking a few hours, a few minutes, totally depending on how much transactions you have made so far. You might be having a little bit more of faster response, and now as you can see it says my verified information. Thank you for submitting the information you requested. If you require further information, we'll let you know. So as you can see, the process is actually not that hard. It might be taking a few steps further in order to get approved by Payoneer checkout. So what I can totally suggest you is to add, meanwhile this one has been, let's say, solved, I can totally suggest you to add another payment, for example Stripe. The Stripe is something really easy. There's no transaction fee. We can collect Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Apple Pay, and much more. There's a lot, but truly a payment method that you can choose if you're willing to add them. What I can totally just do is to add only one out of 3 different categories so you can get paid and you don't have any troubles by receiving money somewhere else. Even you can add some manual payment methods in here so you can made outside online or store. We can select manual payment method and choose, for example here, and let's go for created custom payment method. So you can add, let's say for example Payoneer, and you can add details like please send the money to, let's go for the ID Payoneer, and the paying instructions, all that. So that's totally up to you if you want to activate it or not. I just gave you like 2 or 3 ways that can impose your Payoneer account into your Shopify. So you just want to make sure that your country has this enabled. And that's it for today. So that's basically how you can add Payoneer account in Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.